What's up, everybody? It is fucking Friday here at UFC headquarters, and we roll into Thanksgiving next week. We thought we would try something Thanksgiving-ish. So this is called the Turducken, and it was made at the Butcher Block here in Las Vegas. It is basically a chicken stuffed inside a duck, stuffed inside a turkey. Let's stack this shit all up. Actually really good. I'm gonna try this with some fucking gravy. I did not expect to like this. This is excellent. And it's even better with the gravy. Unbelievable. I'm blown away that I like it. Because normally I don't like duck. This is excellent. The Turducken. Try it. Unbelievable.